Hi, this is Dheeraj Jain, Chief Revenue Officer at JetFerry.ai, and I want to share a small story with you. Aren't you tired of struggling with the mismatch between your MIS and your actual data? Isn't it frustrating that you have to spend your valuable time trying to calculate sales due to such inconsistencies when you could be moving upwards? And the ultimate test of patience, when you have to fine-tune your value analysis with your IT team who have limited domain knowledge. A successful inventory management system is one where the moment a data is entered by any team at any level is reflected to the decision makers at all times. So there is no delay on reworking on the data. A system in which you don't have to wait for the reports and the ability to slice and dice and pivot the data any way you want without delays, without missing an opportunity. Wouldn't it be great if there was a way to go directly from data to dashboard? So you could get out-of-the-box standard analytics, which would easily let you track turnover rates, stock to sales, back orders, return rates, revenue, gross margin per unit, lead times, supplier and dealer scorecards, and carrying costs. Something which would auto-generate trends, patterns, and heat maps automatically, where you can fine-tune your value analytics in a few clicks with no programming knowledge and no need to learn APIs or queries. Is it even possible, as in humanly possible? Well, get AI to help you. So just feed in your data, and in seconds you will have data across all your standard dimensions: sales, receiving, operations, inventory, and your employee KPIs. On top of that, you will get trends and patterns across all your key parameters. With zero time spent on learning, no process change, and not costing a bomb. Now, the inventory manager is empowered with a ready-to-go dashboard and with standard MIS and custom reports just a few clicks away. Has anyone solved inventory? Talk to us.